Dr. Kristen Jacobs from Ooh La La Spa, Anti-Aging and Wellness, and today I wanted to show you something different that we've never talked about before, and it's my Dyson hair dryer. And I got this from a friend, and this was probably one of the best gifts I've ever received, and it has really changed how I do my hair, and I get so many compliments on my hair. And so my friend, my best friend who gave it to me, said, hey, you should do a video on that. And I thought, well, yeah, that's a great idea, because it took me a long time to figure out how to use it. So there are several different parts that come with it. There's a brush. I think there's actually one other brush too. It's probably in the other room. And then the two that I mainly use are these two. And what they do is they curl the hair. So what I'm going to show you how I usually do it, I just got out of the shower and I just let my hair air dry just a bit. I don't put any product in my hair because I have very sensitive skin. So then all you do is you turn it on, you just hold it up to your hair, and you let it dry. It really is that easy. I get so many compliments on my hair, and I don't really know how to do my hair, so this has been, for me, it's been great because I've been able to do different things with my hair. And that's all you do, is you just let it go, and it curls it as it goes. So I get a little bit lazy, and instead of switching, I should probably switch it this time, but I go ahead and just do the underlayer the same way. And I turn it off, and then I switch it again, and I do the same thing. And I just keep going layer by layer. And then I'll do, right after this layer, I'll show you what I do for my bangs. But it's so easy. I mean, you could probably sit here and hold it for a second. It'll dry a little faster, but I'm kind of a always have to moving type of person, so I'm always moving it. I'll show you this time. I'll switch it on the other side. But look at the curls, and the curls stay in all day. Let's do this. There we go. That little piece. Alright, this time I'll switch it. So to switch it, there's this little button on the back, and we just lift that, move that, switch it, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So we'll go to the other side. I mean, for me, this is way faster than any other way I've ever dried my hair. And I really don't have to think about it. Pretty easy. Okay. So then what I do usually now is I'll fix my bangs how I want them. I'm going to switch to the brush, and then I usually will just dry the bangs down a little bit. Pretty much it. Sometimes I'll curl them, but most of the time I just dry them like that. Alright, so let's get this side. And usually what I'll do is I'll get it as dry, like this. Then I'll go ahead and put my face on, get my clothes on, and then I'll come back right before I'm ready to go, and I'll just do one more kind of pass through the top layer to dry it a little bit more. I don't use any product after I dry it, and I don't use any hairspray or anything, and it really will last all day long. Pretty amazing. So like I said, it wasn't something that I would typically buy for myself, but knowing what I know now, I probably would spend the money on it. And I tell my patients all the time that, you know, it really is worth it. So at this point, I mean, it's pretty much dry. Oh, I probably should have left that one in, but here's some things that I'll do. So this one is supposed to be on this side, but I'll come over and I'll just make it go a little bit in the front. I'm getting fancy now. And then a little bit on this. But this is the side I usually will do. And then it just kind of frames the face. I give it a little bit of shake. And that is pretty much it.